Hi, I'm Addison.
And I'm Jesse, and we're your social savvy realtors with the Jesse Peters team at RE/MAX One Group. And we have a social savvy gem for you today.
Yeah, you're not kidding, Jess. This property is absolutely spectacular. And we're just outside of Elie, 15 minutes from the perimeter, and you're not gonna wanna miss this one.
The moment you come into this property, you are greeted with a long gravel road that kind of reminds me of the Little House on the Prairies. And if we take a quick look to the right, is this huge garden. You could eat healthy and organic for days. What we got in there? You could probably do like corn and lettuce and beans and tomatoes and maybe even get some strawberries rolling through there.
I absolutely love the garden, but I'm a big fan of the space. I mean, I could picture taking the snowmobile out, taking the quad out, whatever I want. I got endless space to do anything out here I really want to.
Well, exactly. And for me being a family guy too, having kids, man, let them out the back door and they can run wild with their imagination back here. You know, from the castles to the toboggan hills to having their own little fun in their own little forest. It can be a really special place.
And just picture your kids hanging out in the hammock, hanging out on the tree swing. You're pushing your son on the tree swing, having a blast out here.
And you know what's fun? It's those simple things. Have you ever wanted to own your own little red barn and have your own little workshop? Maybe have some horses or kind of have a little chicken coop out here? You know what? You can do it here. Now, granted, it's not a red barn yet, and you could really pick your own color.
It's extra space to do whatever you want in there with, really.
And really a nice little flavor of character to country living.
Absolutely.
And speaking of country living, we have an affordable 1.5 story home right behind us.
2 bedroom, 2 bath home, 1.5 stories. You got lots of windows, lots of natural light pouring through. The master's got a big screen door flowing tons of sunlight in, and you know, it's awesome.
Yeah, I love the main floor too, right? Kind of that L-shaped living space, that open concept that is great, you know, if you're wanting to keep an eye on the kids or even for family gatherings. And on both sides, you got a couple entrances into this home. One from the backside where you can see the kids from the kitchen playing out in the yard, and one, you like deck living, you like barbecuing, of course you do, Addison. You could really host a fantastic dinner with friends or family right there. Yep. This place really has me smiling from ear to ear.
And when you're sitting on a deck, you're hearing nature.
You're hearing nature.
You're not hearing the cars on Corden. You're not hearing any kind of traffic. Nothing. No. Well, Jess, we could host a pretty sweet party here.
Addie, I think that's an understatement. And seriously, how much awesomeness is out here? First of all, this prairie blue sky, the privacy, the space is incredible.
15 minutes from the city, 30 minutes from Portage la Prairie. It's a location that can't be beat, really.
Without a doubt. And the home right behind us, that thing's moving ready and it's affordable.
It really
and
is.
if you want to see more of this home and if you want to learn more about the details, boom! There's the site. Check it out. You know, this is a unique property that I'm sure will be pulling at your heartstrings, and if it is, give us a buzz. Yep. Send us a text. We'd love to.
Smiling right now.
Seriously, we would love to show it to you. And in the meantime, thank you for checking out our latest Social Savvy video tour. And you know the drill. Stay social.